Hudson at Edwards. Pas yna yn un llac. Dyma Mwandwe, y cyntaf i ymateb. Fletcher ar ergyd y gwiriad oddi ar Marriott i gefn y rhwyd y Drenewydd ar y blaen wedi 6 munud. Fletcher ar gôl, ond mi gymrodd I wiriad creulon oddi ar Marriott sy'n chwarae 3 chanfed gêm gyngrau'r heno yma. Brobl yn troi'n wych yng nghanol cae. Y chwaraewr dawnus yn lledu'r bêl at Adrian Sislovic. Sislovic yn 'i tharo hi! Taran gan Adrian Sislovic. Y Seintiau'n gyfartal wedi chwarter awr. 8fed gôl y tymor I Sislovic. O, mi gath o afal ar hon a di tharo hi'n lan i'r gornel bella yna. Fletcher ar gig gornel. Hudson ar peniad allan. McAllister yn casglu'r briwsion, mae'n bast at Ruston. Ruston yn croesi a Mwandwe ar peniad I gefn y rhwyd. Chydig dros 20 munud I chwarae'r Drenewydd yn ôl ar y blaen. Wel, dwi'n meddwl ddoth I ar ei drwyn o'n y diwedd, ond maen nhw I gyd yn cyfri. Fletcher at ffwmpa Mwandwe. Yn cael ei annog I redeg. Teg at Hudson yn dangos I gyflymder. Y gŵr ar fenthyg o'r amwythig yn mwynhau hun heno yma. Fletcher. Unwaith eto yn chwilio am rediad Mwandwe. Ac mae o'n gyflymach na Spender. Mwandwe! Ond mae'r cynllun yn amlwg gan dîm Chris Hughes heno yma. Mwandwe di'r targed bob tro. Nembad at Simon Spender. Mae'n meddwl am groesi yn gwneud hynny. Dave Jones dod amdani, mae di methu hi. Draper yn methu'r peniad a Brobl yn gwneud llanast o'i ergyd. Wel, byddwch chi wedi disgwyl I Greg Draper wneud yn well o'r safle yna. Nath o gymryd I lygad oddi ar y bêl efalle. A Brobl methu manteisio chwaith. Kelly y bêl tu ôl i'r amddiffyn. A Mwandwe ar garol am unwaith eto. Spender sy'n draws. Mwandwe lle I groesi. Mae Nick Ruston yn cyrraedd. O, blaen troed oedd I angen gan Nick Ruston. Nembad at Redmond. Y croesiad. Y bêl yn syrthio at Sislovic. O, mi sgoriodd yn yr hanner cynta. Gath o ddim gafel ar hon. A noson rwystredig i'r Seintiau Newydd heno yma.
First and foremost, we deserve to be in the top 6. And then when you're in the top 6, you want to show you can compete. We've done that over the years, but I think to come here, it's probably the fixture that everyone probably didn't want TNS away. They've done ever so well. That they beat us convincingly probably a couple of weeks ago. But I thought every part of our play tonight was absolutely first class. The work rate, the desire out possession, and then the quality in possession. I thought we showed tremendous quality at times, and we really hurt them, especially in the first half. And probably unfortunate to only be 2-1 up. I think Fumpa's had a couple of good chances that he's made the keeper work, and I think that's the biggest thing. That's how good our defensive performance was tonight. That can't recall our goalkeeper having any major saves to make.
Disappointed is the word. Knowing we can play a lot better than that, and yes, possession is all good and well, but if you're not creating, if you're not taking chances, if you're not working the opposition, then it's no positive really if you lose the game. And credit to Newtown, well done tonight. They had a game plan, frustrated us and stuck to it, and really we didn't have that many chances. I'm just trying to think about if we had any clear-cut ones, and we were few and far between.
Nath ni ddim chwarae'n y gorau, a nath nhw game plan nhw gweithio, a pob clod I nhw I ennill, ond da ni wedi sgorio canolbwyntio am y gêm nesaf rwan, dy Gwener.